Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, did you send an offer but changed your mind? Facebook Marketplace allows you to cancel a pending offer as long as the seller hasn't accepted yet. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel an offer on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what canceling an offer means? So canceling an offer allows you to withdraw your price proposal, stop the seller from accepting it, avoid commitments, and restart negotiation later. So once canceled, the seller cannot accept that offer. Okay, so now open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace here at the bottom of your application. On desktop, on the other hand, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now I want you to open the messenger conversation with the seller that you have talked to. Okay, so open the chat with the seller. So offers are tied to the message thread. So inside the conversation, if status says pending, you can cancel. If accepted, you cannot cancel, and if declined, already closed. So status appears under the offer. So tap cancel offer below the pending offer, confirm your choice. Offer is immediately withdrawn and seller receives notification, so the conversation remains active. Okay, so if appropriate, send a short polite message, explain briefly, and keeps negotiation respectful and maintains good communication. Okay, so professional behavior builds reputation. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.